I think my whole vertebrae was just collapsed.
We're here with Ed. So Ed, thanks for coming today. So basically let us know a little bit about yourself and what you're working on at the moment.
Cool. So I'm originally a dancer, but we're in a fashion business at the moment. Yeah. But I'm going back into the dancing because we're in the Olympics. So I've been training a lot for the Olympics. Hence my body is now, I'm in my 30s now, there's a lot of complications. And like now we have to stretch a lot more than before.
Absolutely.
But you're just taking a lot of beating.
So when you're saying the Olympics, so dancing is going to be breakdancing?
Breaking is going to be in the Olympics.
Where's the next Olympics?
Sorry? Paris 2024.
24, okay, so that's the first time it's in there.
Yeah, so I just want to be the athletes, the Olympic athletes, my dream goal.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see.
Awesome, beautiful. And you've got a business as well?
Mm-hmm. So Noir is a business, it's a fashion business that I ran. It's a luxury streetwear concept store. We're based in Perth CBD. Yeah.
Awesome, beautiful, mate. So with everything at the moment, obviously got along between like running the business, with work, we do a fair bit of computer time and like training that. So what are your main sort of issues that you're getting when you want to start working for it?
I think just like a lot of twisting. When we break on the floor, we do a lot of twists. So in my lower back, I've been having an issue. I've got scoliosis. Started running and major problem with my lower back through running. So I do a lot of weights as well at the gym. So there's been constant exercises between CrossFit, running, gym, and breaking. So quite, and calisthenics. So
all those heaps of shit.
But just
heaps of shit.
Everything.
Sure, shit. Take it from me. Alright, so what we'll basically run a few tests with you, just have a look at things, do some adjustments, and we'll go from there, right, man? So what we'll start off doing, I'll get you standing there, facing that way.
Yep.
And just have a look at your posture there as well. Okay. When we look to the side. Yeah, so obviously starting in the upper thoracic, starting to hunch a bit, and your head's starting to shift forward. Just a bit. It's got a little bit of balance in the shoulder. Right, I'll get you bending over, touching your toes. Yeah, and it does, you've got a little bit of humping here, which can indicate like basically your curves, probably not full scoliosis level, but you definitely got some curvature going on there. Yeah, it's a bit rotated towards that left side. Cool, and coming back. Did you have any pain when you were doing that?
Right now my shoulder's been in pain.
When you touch, bend over. Any pain?
A little bit strange,
Yeah,
but not too much, but mainly the lower back.
Mainly lower back, okay. And extending back, looking up. That's pretty stiff.
It's pretty stiff.
Yeah, and imagine not being able to extend properly when you're dancing, that would sort of limit you. When you break. And to the left, rotate. That's pretty stuff there as well, to the right. Mate, we've got some work to do to get you right.
Yeah, I'm pretty working.
What we'll do, mate, we'll get you sitting here, facing me. Okay, so just run a few tests, so we'll just get your arm like this. So tell me how long basically the connecting pathway is going from brain through it. That's weak. Okay. This one. That's alright. This one again. Yeah. So just tell me, it's just the neural pathway just starting to sort of flow properly on that side. Alright. Yeah, that's, I can feel that just completely, especially in the upper neck. How much there? Did you get any pain when I was doing that side?
Yeah, actually I hurt
my neck most of it.
My neck just here.
On the left,
That's from sleeping, I think.
Yeah, definitely like from your sleep position to pillow and all that sort of stuff plays a big role, particularly with a lot of neck issues. Right there. Do you spend a fair bit of time on the computer?
No.
Yeah, the nerves around this area, they all supply the shoulder, so if those joints are sort of jammed up, you just won't get the right signals and pathways through to your shoulders and your arms. Cool. Alright, mate, what we'll do, I'll get you on your back, we'll go face up.
Traction.
Straight into it. Okay, I'll get you actually going back down that way. Alright, so what this is called, this is like a decompression tool. So chin up, all the way, chin up more. Okay, so this will just hook in behind the back there. I'll get that a little bit lower. So you can grab that, Okay, chin up. All right, so basically you feel this, I'll put some pressure and then go up, okay? So just let that one go all the way.
Oh man, I think my whole vertebrae was just
Collapsed.
I think my brain is still over there, my soul.
Oh, brain's here, soul just, like in the cartoons, just went straight out of the body. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good.
It's like a little bit of pain here, but I think just from
that's more like a decompression adjustment. Whereas the other ones we're going to do, they're going to affect the actual specific levels as well, which will help with those sort of areas. Because as well, like you obviously when you're breakdancing, you're putting so much compressive load all the time on yourself, so that will.
That was amazing.
Yeah, and that left here, touching left shoulder all the way.
Oh. Oh wow, it cracked a lot.
That right ear touching the right all the way.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh god.
It's okay?
I need a holiday.
Alright. Have a look at your jaw as well. So open your mouth and close and open. Let's just be on this right side's not quite opening.
Oh.
Sort of sucks that one, doesn't it? Alright, just do a like release under here as well. Okay, just look to that side all the way and just opening your jaw and close and open. Just hold that there. Okay, and back to neutral and open and close and open. Cool, close, beauty. Cool. Alright man, so what we'll do, I'll get you sitting up,
sweaty.
facing this way. Okay. Alright, so we'll get your arms like this. This is just for your upper back, alright? So just breathe in and out all the way. You okay?
I'm a broken toy. Holy fuck.
We're going to mend these pieces back. Alright. Just let that relax through the shoulder. Okay. Just let that one all the way.
Oh.
There we go. This one here will be a bit.
Oh. It's so painful, I'm laughing.
Alright, breathe in, breathe into it, breathe out. And breathe in. And out. Cool. And this one, breathe in. And out. And breathe in. And out. Okay. Oh god. Okay. To the left all the way. To the right all the way. Beautiful. Alright. Alright man, I'll get you on your back and we'll go face up.
Yeah, feels good already.
That right leg like that. Nice and strong, pushing up. Too bad for that, yeah. Pushing up. Yeah, that's weak. That one up. Cool, and just externally rotate it out like that. And strong. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Okay. You getting any sort of ankles, any issues with your ankles?
Well, I'm starting to from running.
Yeah.
So it's soft. So at the moment.
If you just sort of rapidly increase the amount that you run?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. How many times a week?
Like every day or the second day.
Okay, so cool. Is that for fitness for this, for breakdancing?
Just for fitness, yeah. Oh, I just expect that. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
No, it's just big.
Well, I thought it was relaxed. Oh, God.
Right.
Oh, I'm crying.
Alright. So we'll do some work around your knee here as well. Yeah.
Oh, God.
Just coming in through there, that one as well. this muscle and tendons touching in at the knee.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just pretty inflamed in that.
Ooh.
But doing what you're doing, there's heaps of, like your wrist, knee, ankle, everything would be a lot of like compression. So going through that. Cool. Alright, so just do like a hip flexor release. So I'll get your leg like this, and what we're going to do is go out and in. Okay, and we'll get you doing that. So out, and in, and out. Okay, we'll switch to this one here. Same thing on the left arm, bending that and just rotate. This one's a bit nasty, yeah. And go in that. Come on, let a good one out, Ed. Come on, let it out. Stop holding.
Alright,
And breathe in and out.
I heard like 1,000 cracks there. Oh god. Holy shit.
Cool. I need to tell me thanks, mate.
Whoa. Look at me, I'm sweating. Holy fuck. This is my intent for the gym. Oh yeah, that's it. Holy fuck. Jesus.
You're enjoying this.
Holy fuck. Holy shit.
Yeah, right in there. Let's do that some bit. Okay. We'll get you on your side, facing out to this way.
This way. Holy shit.
And you back next leg. Actually, no, you your side, or you want to check the side as well.
Holy fuck.
Release that. There we go, good. And on your back, face that.
Holy fuck.
Strong, pushing up. Push, good. That one. Push, good. And sitting up, facing that way.
Sweating.
So I'm going to get you to do that, okay?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Holy fuck.
To the left all the way, to the right all the way. Beautiful.
Man, that feels good.
Alright, awesome.
Holy shit.
Just like that. Have you got any wrist issues?
No.
Just more, just go.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh. Holy smokes. Oh. Holy fuck. Oh, God. Ooh.
Because for you, like around the elbows, and wrist, because you just got so much compressive load through there. That's so we've got to release that a lot. Okay.
Sometimes I feel it there. I'm not sure what that is.
Yeah. So that's where like all the forearm flexes, because you do.
Yeah.
When you're doing this sort of stuff, or any
pulling
motions. Pull-ups. Yeah. They're all attached there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So it can just get a bit inflamed around that tendon. Okay, cool. Add a little finger thumb. Strong. Add a little finger.
Good.
That
You
one.
mean?
This.
Oh, this way.
Yeah, strong.
Not very strong.
You get a look at the Playboy now, so beautiful.
Broken Playboy there.
Broken Playboy. Standing here facing that way. Yeah. So okay, so bending over, touching your toes again.
Oh man, so good.
And you've actually started to flatten out a little bit through there. Yeah, you've been initially been rotated like this.
Yeah.
So it's actually starting to flatten out and even out a bit through there. Beautiful. And come back.
Yeah, holy shit.
That's way better. Yeah, nothing before. To the left.
Oh, look at that. Holy shit.
Very good. Awesome, man.
That's so good.
Yeah. So like particularly like a lot of areas that probably get neglected with you doing what you're doing is like your wrist.
In my
Shoulder. Yeah.
Like to my shoulders. Because I had issues before, I couldn't even lift it up.
Yeah. And that's why like a lot of practitioners, they might just focus just on your back and they don't actually focus on all the other areas, because you can't really have a problem through there and have not affect, mechanically your neck, your shoulder and that. If you have an issue there, that's going to affect there, an issue there, it's going to affect there. So it's always, we always got to crack the whole chain, get it working on.
Right.
Alright. Ready.
Let's go, mate.